In the heart of Cambodia, where dry lands echoed the thirst of communities, a journey began, a journey to bring the essence of life to those in need. It all started with a simple discovery: communities struggling for something we often take for granted: clean water. But within this challenge, an opportunity to make a profound difference emerged. Turning vision into reality, we embarked on the journey of hope. From the initial spark of an idea to the tangible drilling process, every step was fueled by the determination to create change. Meet the real heroes, the families whose lives have been forever altered by the flow of clean water. Witness the smiles, hear the stories, and feel the impact of a simple well on an entire community. I've been a part of over 2,000 well projects since 2015, and I can attest to the transformative power it has on communities. Together, we can create a ripple effect of change. Now, it's within everyone's reach to make a difference. Whether you're on the ground yourself or entrusting the work to experienced hands, the key is the impact we create. I've personally funded this project entirely, thanks to the success of my businesses. Yet, even the price of a cup of coffee can change the lives of multiple families by contributing to a well. I'm fortunate to work remotely without a boss, managing my time and location. Whether I'm perched atop a towering cityscape or by the tranquil seaside, or even in the heart of the countryside, this freedom allows me to change lives. And for me, the most impactful contribution is water, because water is life. You revive a village, providing them with something to drink, to wash, to sustain their animals, and nurture their plants. In my long-term vision, I aspire to see, before my time on this earth is done, every human having access to running water. That's why I've taken the time to create this video, to plant this dream in each of you, so it becomes a reality. By supporting this cause, you're not just contributing to wells, you're contributing to a future where water is a universal right. Together, let's make this vision come true. Even supporting my work as a professional sports betting tipster, you not only benefit from my tips but also indirectly contributes to these wells. Donations are welcome through the link below. Even the price of a coffee can change a village's life. Whether a believer or not, join us in creating ripples of change. Your support, big or small, propels us toward a future where water is a gift to all. Let's build a legacy of hope together.